When you search for 2-in-1 elliptical and bike options, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to truly find the one that fits your needs, you need to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, QBI R1. First up is the QBI R1, an underdesk elliptical priced at $227.68. What caught my attention is its compact design, perfect for working from home. If you want a discreet way to stay active while you work, this is worth a serious look. This mini elliptical allows you to get a workout in without leaving your desk, which is great for those long hours of sitting. It's designed for low-impact exercise, making it ideal if you're recovering from an injury or just want to keep things gentle on your joints. The pedal motion is smooth, and it's low profile enough that you won't bang your knees on your desk. Users have bought over 800 units in the past month, reflecting its growing popularity. Now, some people complain that it doesn't provide a super intense workout. Here's the thing though, it's not meant to replace a full-fledged gym session. If you're looking for something to keep you active throughout the day without breaking a sweat, it fits the bill perfectly. This is perfect for you if you work a desk job and struggle to find time to exercise. Skip this one if you need a high-intensity workout. For the price and convenience, it's a solid investment. Now, if the QBI R1's intensity level concerns you, the next product on my list offers a more vigorous workout. Product number 2, YYFITT 3-in-1 Exercise Bike. Next is the YYFITT 3-in-1 Exercise Bike, retailing at $252.98. Its luminous display caught my eye, and it seems like a solid choice for home workouts. If you want a bike that adapts to your needs as you grow stronger, this is worth a serious look. This flexibility means you can choose the most comfortable position for your workout, which is huge if you have back issues. Plus, with 16 levels of magnetic resistance, you can gradually ramp up your workouts, keeping things challenging. The wider seat and fully supportive backrest mean you'll be comfortable while you push your limits. It's already gained traction with over 200 units sold in the past month. However, some users mentioned that the assembly process could be tricky. I'll be real with you, if you're not handy, you might find it a bit frustrating, but once it's set up, it's smooth sailing. This is perfect for anyone looking for a flexible and supportive workout option. Skip this if you prefer a straightforward bike with minimal setup. For the range of features and the comfort it offers, the price is pretty reasonable. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a silent workout experience. Product number 3, Indoor Cycling Bike. Now let's talk about this indoor cycling bike priced at $151.78. What surprised me is how budget-friendly it is while still offering great features. If you want a solid cardio workout without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This bike is all about user capacity and quiet operation, supporting up to 330 pounds. It features an adjustable magnetic brake and a silent belt drive, which means you can ride at any hour without disturbing anyone. The adjustable seat and handlebars allow for a custom fit, which is crucial for comfort during longer rides. With over 200 units sold this past month, it's clearly catching on with users who value affordability and performance. One flaw that stood out is that some buyers reported it feeling a bit wobbly at high speeds. Here's the thing though, if you're just starting out or doing moderate workouts, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's a great entry point into cycling without needing to spend a ton. This is perfect for beginners or those on a budget. Skip this if you're an advanced cyclist looking for a heavy-duty bike. Given the price and features, it offers great value. Now, if you want something that syncs with apps for a guided workout experience, the next product might be just what you're looking for. Product number 4, Wenoker Magnetic Bike. The next up is the Wenoker Magnetic Stationary Bike, also priced at $252.98. What drew me in is its app synchronization feature, which is pretty cool. If you want to incorporate technology into your workouts, this is worth a serious look. This bike not only has adjustable seats and handlebars for optimal comfort, but it also connects with fitness apps to track your progress. The transport wheels make it easy to move around, which is great if you're short on space. With its strong build, it can handle a variety of workouts, making it suitable for different fitness levels. It's already gained some traction with over 100 units sold in the past month. However, some users reported that the app connection can be a bit finicky at times. But here's the thing, if you're not super tech-savvy, you can still use the bike without the app and it works just fine. This is perfect for tech enthusiasts looking to enhance their workout experience. Skip this if you prefer a straightforward bike without the bells and whistles. For its features and quality, it's a good value. Now, if you're looking for a compact bike that offers multiple workout options, the final product on my list has you covered. Product number 5, Barwing 5-in-1 Exercise Bike. Finally, we have the Barwing 5-in-1 Exercise Bike priced at $227.68. Its adaptability caught my eye, allowing for different workout postures. If you want a bike that grows with you, this is worth a serious look. This bike features 16 levels of magnetic resistance, making it suitable for all fitness levels. Plus, the 5-in-1 aspect means you can use it in multiple ways for a total body workout, which can save you time and keep things interesting. The quiet operation is a bonus, making it great for shared spaces. With 100 units sold in the past month, it's gaining popularity. On the downside, some users mentioned that the assembly instructions could be clearer. Honestly, if you're not handy, that might be a bit frustrating. However, once it's put together, it's a great piece of equipment. This is perfect for those who want versatility in their workouts. Skip this if you need something that's ready to go right out of the box. Considering the features and the ability to tailor workouts, it offers excellent value. To wrap things up, we covered the QBIJ R1 for its compact design, the YYFITT 3-in-1 for its versatility, the budget-friendly indoor cycling bike, the technology-driven Wenoker magnetic bike, and the adaptable BARWING 5-in-1. Each has its strengths, catering to different needs and preferences. Whether you need a quiet workout, tech integration, or versatility, there's something here for everyone. Choose wisely and get moving.